Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Whims. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make two boho style wall hangings from air dry clay. So let's begin the video. So for today's DIY I have taken this terracotta colored air dry clay. Whenever we are working with air dry clay, it's important that we first make a slurry. So first take a little water in a bowl, add piece of air dry clay to it and let it dissolve properly. This will be used to smoothen out the cracks and also to attach different parts. Now I have taken a small piece of air dry clay and roll it with the help of a bottle. After that I am going to take two pieces, one of rectangle shape and the other circle. Now to prepare the bell I have rolled the paper and with the help of the rolled paper I am giving it a proper shape. With the help of any flat object like scale or ice cream stick, smooth out the edges. Now we are going to allow this to set for a while. After this set, we are going to take the circular shape that we had prepared and attach it to this rectangular shape. Roll out the clay into flat surface and with the help of bottle cap cut out different shapes like circles and semicircles. Also with the help of a toothpick make holes in it. Now we will allow these pieces to dry. They take about 24 hours to dry. Once they are dry, I am using acrylic paints to color them. Here I am using all the pastel shades for coloring, as this is going to be a boho decor, and with the help of a thin brush make different patterns as per your like dots and lines. Now I am using thread and needle to attach the different parts together. I'll be attaching to the rainbow. So both our wall hangings are now ready. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.